Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the reveal for the October Magical Monthly Mystery Kit. And this month I really wanted to do something that was Disney park themed but fall. So what I did was one of the places that's one of my favorite areas during the fall at Disneyland is Frontierland. I love the way that they do fall with all the wood structures and Splash Mountain and Country Bear Jamboree, and I just really love the way it looks in the fall and how they have all the pumpkins and the trees all lit up. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to do Frontierland in the fall. So anyway, this is your dashboard, and I had my artist draw up the big Thunder Mountain Railroad, one of the signs there, and then she put it all with the beautiful fall colors of the kit. So climb aboard and hang on for the wildest ride in the wilderness. This is like so stinking adorable. I love this. So this is your dashboard, and on the back it has your information. So put that off to the side. I'm gonna put the little things off to the side and just kind of go through the kit. So thinking about characters that I thought would go really well in Frontierland is, yeah, Woody and Bo Peep. So I've got Woody and Bo Peep here in Frontierland. We've also got Country Bear Jamboree, which used to be it used to be such a fun, like old-timey memory for me of going there. When I was a kid, I hated it. I absolutely hated it. I thought it was the most boring thing in the world. It was kind of like going to the Tiki Room as a kid. I don't know if you've ever been to the Tiki Room, but you know, a bunch of kids in there rolling their eyes at the silly singing and whatnot. But then as you grow up and you realize, well, it's gone now, and then you like, it's just a nostalgia thing. So Country Bear Jamboree is now a restaurant. It is no longer a show, but you remember the bear with the with little banjo. So I had her add those in. So there is your double box with Country Bear Jamboree and Cletus. I can't remember which one. I can't remember what his name is. I'll try to remember and put it down in the comments. But then you've got another double box over here with, I don't know how often anybody has been to Disneyland, but this is the back side. So where the shooting arcade is and the shops are, and then this gorgeous tree all lit up for fall. Then you've got the pumpkins and the fall drinks and this beautiful paper. She did a fantastic job on the paper. Again, you've got Woody and Bo Peep. Here you've got some stuff that for Thunder Mountain, and then like right outside of Splash Mountain, and this little guy is from the Big Thunder Mountain ride. So there is all of your 8 full boxes. Then your 9th full box is the turkey leg, which is just iconic. And then you've got the sign from Splash Mountain. So papers, absolutely fantastic, beautiful colors, beautiful papers. So your bottom washies, your date covers, and then this time what I did with the numbers is I matched them to the date covers so that they will just kind of seamlessly move right into that. Then you've got your functional pages, which are all of your boxes and your check boxes. Then you've got your to-dos, today's importance, some strips, movie marquee, weekly spending, that kind of stuff. Then you've got all of your pattern boxes, your solid boxes, and then we're going to move into the monthly. So I have a little bit of information on the monthly to give you. This has not changed. This time you've got Thanksgiving in here. This has not changed with all of your months. This has changed. Let me show you this one first so that you can see that nothing's changed here. So your sidebar, you've got your extra full box right here, some more little scripts down here, boxes, paydays, bill dues, that kind of stuff. This one has changed. I can set it right there so you can see it. So with all, there are so many standard vertical planners out there, and they are all fantastic, and they all have pretty much one thing in common, where this box at the top is pretty much the same in all of them. And so I wanted this to be a little bit more inclusive to different sizes, because 7x9 in all of the different planners can be just slightly different for each planner. So I wanted these to be, for you to be able to trim them down if you needed to. On both sides. So what I did is we don't have this bottom section anymore, because that bottom section really made it hard for you to customize this banner up here at the top for other planner types. It was great in the A&N, great in the TPC, but if you had like a plum planner or any of the other planners that are out there, this was difficult to customize with the bottom boxes. So that's gone. But in place of that, you get a lot more boxes for you to fill out for your monthly. You have more paydays, more bill dues, and then you have a total of 5 of these big boxes right here that you can put into the extra spaces if you want to, where there's no numbers. So you've got plenty of that. You've got some glitter headers down here. So just to show you, and I will do a plan with me following this video showing you how I'm going to use the monthly and the whole kit. As a matter of fact, we're going to do a whole entire plan with me with this. So that is the kit itself. Then we have a couple extra boxes here with some alternate skin tones with the fabulous turkey legs. And then you have all of your usual, your doodle boxes, your date covers, your paint swatches, your check boxes, your labels, and your glitter. So we have all of the same stuff that you're used to. The only thing that has changed is the monthly, and then we will get into the foil. This is the other thing that's going to change, is that when this goes into not being a subscription anymore, and I'll get into that in just a second, these will continue to be available as well, but in a limited quantity. This isn't something that I'm just going to have on stock all the time in the shop, whereas this will be in the shop all the time. So no more of you having to rush to get this by the 10th of the month. When it comes out at the beginning of the month, it's available for the rest of the time. For as long as I feel like keeping it up in the shop, it will stay there. So all of the exclusive art is going to be found under exclusive art. After it'll first come out in the new releases, and then it will move into its own section of exclusive art. So whenever you're looking for any of the new exclusive art, that is where you're going to find it. Whenever you're looking for the hand-drawn art, you're going to find it under the Cocoa and Fluff. So it'll be really easy for you to get your hands on. There won't be any more trying to figure out how to fit it in between the 1st and the 10th. I'm listening to comments, and I think that's probably the best way to go about the exclusive art kits. They're going to continue, and I will give you a little bit more information on that during the plan with me. But for now, just know that this will be available starting on the 10th forever. So there's no rush. You pick it up whenever you want. It'll be in the shop under the new releases for a little while, and then it will move to exclusive art. But this will be limited because I can't just keep these on stock, because I don't have the ability to I'm not a ready to ship shop, so I don't have these all the time. So I will make up a batch of them, and then when they're gone, they're gone. So if you want these are the things that you're probably going to want to pick up, right towards the beginning of the month. And then, if there's any left, they'll stay up until they're all gone. And then when they're gone, they'll be gone. So this is your first page with all of your full box overlays and your quote boxes. Super, super cute. But you've got, my favorite color is October, leggings, leaves, and lattes, please, pumpkin spice vibes. And you've got the little Mickey pumpkin spice there. And then a thankful heart is a happy heart. So that is your page 1. Your page 2, very, very simple, easy. Yep, foil overlays, sorry, my brain. I'm so tired today. Had grandbaby for a week, and she has just wiped me out. So underlay box, and then there's some really beautiful leaves up here that you can use to accent your overlays. I went back to these ones because I feel like the other ones take too much away from the art, and I really love the artwork, and I just feel like just a little bit goes a long way on this art, on all of the exclusive art artwork. So I went back to this. The other one was just a little too crazy for me. Underlays though, love these. I'm gonna keep these. These are gonna stay this way. And then your last page, which pretty much doesn't really change, other than me adding these in, but you've had your scripts, you've had your icons, your number overlays, and your weekend banner has stayed the same for the whole time. So that is everything that is in this month's monthly mystery. No longer subscription, and won't really be a mystery anymore after this month. So I hope you guys like this. If you have any comments, like I said, please leave them below. I'm always checking comments, always answering posts and messages, and that is why we're making some changes to the subscription / not really a subscription anymore. You'll be able to get this whenever you want. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.